Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can incorporate exfoliation into your skincare routine, but in a cheap way, and still get that beautiful radiant looking skin. Now for this video, because I love you all so much, I don't want to give you all just one. I'm going to be giving you all 3 ways you can exfoliate your skin, but in a cheap way and still get a radiant skin, making use of an exfoliating glove. Yes, this product here, this is an exfoliating glove that you can make use of to exfoliate your skin. Now, generally, I'm not even going to advise people to use this product every day. And this is where I made mistake. Yes, I know that I come here, I show you all different skincare tips and tricks. But despite the fact I do that, nobody is above mistake. Everybody makes mistake. And yes, I actually fell into the category of those that were using this product every single day. And what this product showed to me, my eyes cannot tell, my mouth cannot tell. Like literally, it made my skin sensitive. Until I now understood that this product is not just something you use to wash your skin every day. This is actually an exfoliating product that you should not use on a daily basis. So using this product is one way you can use to exfoliate your skin, but it's not only this product I'm sharing with you in this step. The second thing I'm going to bring to you is this Asantee soap. Yes, now you might be wondering, Choma, why this Asantee soap? Now, if you notice on the container, on the packet of this soap, over here it is written under this Q10 here, it is written AHA plus BHA. I don't know if you saw it there. This actually contains some exfoliating properties, that is AHA and BHA. The only difference is that this product is not a harsh product on the skin. Okay, despite the fact it has exfoliating properties in it, it is not a harsh like soap on the skin, but it has exfoliating properties. Now, if you don't have the money to be buying all this expensive face scrub, one way you can exfoliate your face is using this soap. Using this exfoliating glove and using this soap to exfoliate your skin. Okay, that's one way you can do it. You just lather up this soap, like you wear this glove on your hand, you wear it on your hands like this. Okay, you wear it on your hands. Then when you now lather up your soap on this exfoliating this, you now use it to like exfoliate your skin. Now, before I move into another way you can exfoliate your skin, it is very important that you note that you see this step, this process I showed you all now is not for everybody. Okay, my love, it's not for everybody. And one of those people is me. This process is not for me. I have tried it, it did not work. The reason why I said it's not for everybody is because this can be a harsh product. This can be a harsh process, but the harshness is mostly coming from this exfoliating glove. Now, this is where understanding your skin type, how your skin reacts. Do you have a harsher skin? Or, sorry, do you have like a stronger skin? Or you have like a softer skin? Me, I have a softer skin. Over here, if you touch, as me, you're opportunity to like touch my hands here. Like as I'm even touching this place, you can see that this place is very light. Like my skin in general, both from head to toe, I have like a light skin. I don't have a tough skin. So if you have a light skin, maybe like me, this process is not for you. Or you can try out this process to see how your skin reacts. Like I said, me, I've tried out this process. My skin don't like this process. It is harsh on my skin. That's why I had to stop. Okay, but this process is like a good process, is an effective process you can use to exfoliate your skin. Okay, but it's going to be more like suitable or better for people that has like a tougher skin texture, like a tougher skin. But if it's your body, okay, you can actually use this process. Like me now, if it's my body, I can use this process. Now for the price of this soap is sold for 1,800 naira, and then this glove is not up to 1,000 naira. Like me, I got my own for 700 naira. Now bringing these two products together, it's not even up to 3,000 naira, and you're able to exfoliate your skin. So this is the first process you can use to exfoliate your skin without spending too much of money on your skin. Now the second process, that is where we now talk about DIY process. How can you make my own? How can I make my own scrub at home and exfoliate my skin if I don't have so much money to go and buy physical exfoliants or buy scrub outside. So I had to jot down the process somewhere on my book. But as I'm explaining this process to you, I'll be showing you all a video to show you all how they did this scrub. The ingredients you're going to use or things you're going to use: number one, you're going to use tomato extract. That is, you need tomato. The second ingredient you're going to need is aloe vera. So you need tomato juice extract, you need aloe vera, you need vitamin E capsule, you need honey, and then you also need sugar. Okay, so this video over here that you're seeing now is showing you the process how you can actually make this physical exfoliant. So the tomato that they are using in this video, it offers several benefits to the skin, and some of those benefits includes brightening. Tomato on its own contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin E, and it also contains beta carotene in it. So due to the presence of this ingredient that is found in tomato, it will help you to brighten your skin. Another benefit again is that tomato is a gentle exfoliant on its own. It's not harsh on the skin. It's a gentle exfoliant that you can actually make use of. Tomato also helps to soothe the skin. So if you have irritated skin, sensitive skin, you can do this DIY process and it will still like suit your skin, calm irritation on your skin. Tomato helps to reduce excess oil production, meaning this process will be good for people that has oily skin. Now, another ingredient I mentioned to you was aloe vera. We all know that aloe vera is a soothing ingredient. Like, aloe vera will help you to soothe your skin, reduce irritation. Now, tomato will not only help you to soothe your skin, but aloe vera also. That's why I said this DIY process is good for people that have sensitive skin. So which means you can use this process on your face. If you have a sensitive skin, do this DIY process and then use it to exfoliate your face. It is going to be soothing on your skin. Now, another ingredient that I mentioned here is honey. Now, honey benefits, the first one is that honey will help you to moisturize your skin and hydrate your skin. So which means as you're using this DIY scrub, it is not going to strip moisture out of your skin. After you finish exfoliating your skin is still going to feel moisturized. Honey is also good for acne treatment. Now, honey contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that will help you with your clogged pores, thereby reducing breakouts. That's the benefit of honey. And then another benefit again is honey helps with sunburn relief. That's another benefit. Now, the final ingredient in this DIY process is sugar. So sugar is like the main exfoliant here. So sugar is an exfoliating ingredient, and sugar will also help you to moisturize your skin. Generally speaking, making use of sugar scrubs are good for people that has like dry skin, because it is not going to strip moisture out of your skin, but rather it will help you to moisturize your skin. But salt scrub are the ones that strip moisture out of your skin. So making use of this DIY scrub process will help you moisturize your skin. It will be gentle on your skin. So in general, this first DIY process I shared with you all is good for all skin types. It's good for sensitive skin. I've already mentioned the reason why. It is good for oily skin. I said that tomato is good for controlling oil production. It is good for dry skin. Okay, it has ingredients that are actually moisturizing on the skin, and it is good for normal skin. So this DIY process is good for anybody. You can use it on your face and it will be suitable on your face. And using this DIY process will still help you to glow your skin. It will still help you to brighten your skin. Like I said, that some ingredients here, like tomato, will help you to like brighten your skin. So this is one of the DIY process you can use to exfoliate your skin and still get that brighter looking skin. And you don't need to spend too much to get like this thing done. The third process, you can exfoliate your skin, and it is also a DIY process. So the ingredients you're going to need, the first one is sugar. You're going to need sugar. You're going to need oil, okay? Any form of oil of your choice. You're going to need a shower gel, and you're also going to need honey. I've already said sugar will help you moisturize and also exfoliate your skin. So that's the benefit of the sugar. Then oil will help you to moisturize your skin. The oil in this DIY scrub is important for consistency. It will give you that consistency of your body scrub. The oil here is also good for skin protection from over exfoliation. That is, it will help you to protect your skin from the exfoliating effect of maybe the sugar in this product or exfoliation in general. Now, for this oil here, like I said, you can make use of any oil of your choice. So some oil you can make use of, you can decide to make use of an almond oil. Okay, you can decide to make use of a vitamin E oil. You can decide to make use of a baby oil. You can make use of coconut oil. You can make use of olive oil, like any oil of your choice. Just make sure that that oil can be used on the skin. It's very important. Don't go and use. I'm so I'm so hilarious, guys. You know what I wanted to say? I wanted to say don't go and use engine oil. But what I'm just trying to say is that make sure the oil you're using. Jesus. The next thing that came to my head is don't go and use groundnut oil. Make sure the oil you're using in this DIY scrub is oil that can be used on the skin. That's what I'm trying to say. Then another ingredient that you need is shower gel. Okay, so the shower gel that you're going to need in this is going to help you with the foaming action or the lathering action of your scrub. So if you want your scrub to lather, okay, so you make use of a shower gel. Now for this shower gel, I will advise you not to make use of a harsh shower gel. Okay, you can make use of a brightening shower gel. Yes, you can actually bring in a brightening shower gel that will help you to brighten your skin, or you can make use of, maybe the shower gel is not brightening. Okay, but all in all, just make sure that the shower gel is not a harsh product. Now another ingredient is honey, and I've already given you all the benefits honey will offer to your skin. So this is just like the ingredients that you can use. Now personally, I feel like this process should be done, like should be used on the body. The reason why I said that is because of the shower gel. You can't bring in like a shower gel, let's say the body, your body wash. You can't pour in your body wash into this DIY process. You mix it, finish, you finish doing this concoction, and then you now use it on your face. Because of the presence of that body wash that is not suitable for your face, it can actually like irritate your face, the skin on your face. Okay, but if you want to do this process and you want it to be for your face and your body, then you can use let's say face cleanser. Yes, you can make use of a nice face cleanser, because if you use a face cleanser, you can actually use the product on your face. You can still use it on your body. So if you want this to be for your face and your body, don't make use of your body wash, but rather make use of a face cleanser. So that will be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope this video was useful to you. If you loved this video, please give my video a very big thumbs up. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, on the post notification bell. Okay, please turn on the post notification bell. It is very important for me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.